You're gonna love the 2021 Nissan Versa. Here's a tech-savvy Nissan Versa, the sleek four-door sedan that leverages a suite of standard driver assist features and touchscreen infotainment to keep you safe and connected. All you need to do is relax and enjoy the ride. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: keyless entry, backup camera, keyless start, satellite radio, heated mirrors, blind spot monitor, aluminum wheels, Bluetooth connection, steering wheel audio controls, stability control. Who knew you could have so many upscale features in an efficient compact sedan? See for yourself when you take this well-appointed Versa out for a test drive. Our professional staff looks forward to giving you excellent service.